again, it's so, I love our industry. Like I could talk about it forever. And I love what we do, how we do it, and that passion between the two of y'all and myself included. That vast, so many different, I've got 20 years experience, 5 years experience, 6 months, 8 months experience, but we're all right there together in the same boat, rowing the same direction. It's so cool to me. I don't know. I just love it. Maybe that's dorky. Maybe that's nerdy, but I don't care. It's my show.
No, I think it's not, because there's so many industries that are experience driven, and the fire service is a great example of, you don't get any respect in the fire service as the new guy. You're the FNG, you're the scum, you mop the floors, you clean the toilet, you don't get to say anything, you don't ask questions, you do what everyone tells you to do. And then 4 or 5 years later, maybe you get a promotion, you take the right test, take the right classes, and some of that some of that is changing with the dynamics and the personalities of younger people. But there's lots of industries that are like that, where it's very much, oh, you're the new guy, we're not listening to you, we're not taking any of your ideas, you gotta be doing this before you earn anybody's respect. And so that's been refreshing. I don't expect to have a 10 million listener podcast next week, but
you never know.
You really don't.
In our agency, it's been, from the very first day. What do you think about that, Brad? As and not as a new guy, or not as but it's been, oh, what'd you guys do when you were in the firehouse? What'd you do when this happened? Or, so it's been a really great situation where, and I think that's in any industry or any, workplace or team, it's not necessarily about what you're doing, but draw on the other experiences of your team members.
I love that you said that. And I love that you talk about that, because I think if you're new in this industry, whether you're 25 or 45, draw on your past experiences, draw on your life experiences, and use that. Yeah, you might be new to insurance, but you've got experience in the firefighting. You've got experience in teaching. You've got experiences other places that are valuable to that customer. Like in the beginning, Mitch used baseball a lot, still does. There's a lot of parallels there.
Sure.
Within that. And then we got to be this successful TV show, podcast host guy. He used a lot of his technology and a lot of his background there to help him. And then even like just being a cool guy and having best friends in the, parallel industries, he created a whole funnel of, 5 years in, this dude's, got a huge following, doing well in so many things. You're 8 months in, whatever, killing it out there. It doesn't matter where you're at. You draw on those life experiences. I'm going to edit myself on that one, but yeah, draw from that.